This video is part of a series that demonstrates BroadSoft CC1, a cloud-based omni-channel contact center solution. This video will demonstrate the administration and management features of CC1 Salesforce Edition, a call center app that adds a voice channel and call center administration and management natively within Salesforce. The Salesforce edition of CC1 uses the standard Salesforce interface that users are familiar with. It shares a single sign-on with CC1, so signing into Salesforce also signs you into CC1. Both the administration app and the agent app are downloadable from AppExchange. The Call Center Admin app is used to set up and configure CC1 and manage and monitor call center operations. Agents and teams are set up under the Teams tab. From here, you can see existing teams or create new teams. This existing team, for example, is agent-based. People can be added or removed from the team by clicking on the editor. CC1 inherits your Salesforce users, so you can easily assign them to teams within CC1. Now, let's look at creating and managing call routing strategies within Salesforce. The CC1 Routing Strategy Calendar displays the routing policies that are currently scheduled. Routing strategies can be displayed for a month, a week, or a day, or they can be displayed as a list. There is a current strategy and strategies for specific days and times, which can be created and scheduled in advance. To create and schedule a strategy, a manager gives it a name and defines its start and end dates and times. One can also specify which days of the week it should be active. Then the routing strategy needs to be linked to a control script which defines how the routing strategy behaves. Here is a list of the existing control scripts. Control scripts are defined with the CC1 Graphical Call Flow Builder. The Graphical Call Flow Builder makes it easy to define a routing strategy simply by dragging and dropping icons from the left. There are icons to define audio recordings for the IVR, conditional decision points, collecting customer input, database lookups, and more. Your completed call flow will look something like this. The CC1 Salesforce Edition includes real-time reports for managers. This report shows which specific opportunities and actions are assigned to a specific agent. The Agent Snapshot report shows which agents are currently online and their status. For example, which agents are idle, connected, or talking to customers. CC1 reports are all drill down, so any hyperlinks can be clicked on to go into further detail. In this example, you can see that one agent is currently logged in and ready to take calls. They can also see detailed activity statistics for any agent. CC1 lets managers use the Salesforce reporting engine to create their own historical reports using both CC1 and Salesforce data. Reports can be created that integrate the CC1 call data records and agent activity records with the other data that exists natively within Salesforce. The CC1 Salesforce Edition lets managers monitor and record calls from within Salesforce. They can silently monitor an agent's active call, poke an agent, or barge into a call. Call monitoring can also be scheduled. For example, a manager could schedule an hour of silent monitoring during their daily commute. They simply specify the day, time, and number where they can be reached. The system will call them automatically at the specified time. Managers can monitor all queues or a specific agent or teams. Managers can also listen to call recordings. They can search for specific keywords or agents and play those recordings. Let's look at how an account manager who uses Salesforce every day can use the CC1 data in Salesforce. In this example, let's say the account manager gets a call from a customer saying one of the call center agent's responses was not acceptable. The account manager can look at the activity history for this particular customer and see all the calls they have made to the call center. Clicking on the call log shows the agent who handled the call, when the call came in, and its priority and status. Clicking on the recording plays it back straight out of Salesforce. As you can see, BroadSoft CC1 Salesforce Edition gives call center management more control and visibility over call center operations. It only takes a few clicks to change IVR behavior or call routing priorities. CC1 offers outstanding quality management features and reporting capabilities, all within the familiar Salesforce environment. To view more videos that demonstrate the capabilities of CC1, visit the BroadSoft Clips YouTube channel. To learn more about CC1, visit the CC1 website, or engage with a CC1 expert with a phone call or email.